So I have the handle back on the lathe, and it's perfectly true. I've set these calipers for the diameter, just a hair over of the head, and I'm going to practice here. This is too long, and then work my way in here with the right diameter. Use a parting tool, skew chisel, and beating tool also, and get started. So that's the size it needs to be. I'm pretty close already. So I'm going to slowly work backwards, marking the length. I'm going to go very slow and very small cuts because I can't add wood. And then I'll test fit it a bunch. So I have it down to where I can slide the calipers just over, which means it should be a hair too big. So I'm going to part off at the length. I'm also going to make a bunch of recesses in here, give something for the epoxy to grip onto. That's nice and rough. Part it off. Use a chisel to clean that up. Let's give it a test fit first. Hair too big, which is perfect, so I can clean it up. Sandpaper. Forgot about that end too. Gotta clean that up. So because this center is already marked, I'm actually going to flip it around. Have this be the drive side. And bring the tailstock up. Support it from this end. And slowly work away the bottom. That way I can take it off frequently and check the size. So it's pretty true. I'm just going to use sandpaper, I think, after a small cut with the skew chisel. I'll keep working at it until I get it down to the right size. So I got it to the right size. Fits in. Not too much play. So I'll make up some epoxy and epoxy it in. And first though, I gotta clean up this bottom. So I'll work on that. So I flipped it around and I'm going to nibble away at this until it's done. Let's clean that up with some sandpaper. Oh, I finished it. All glued together. 2-part epoxy. And this ratchet strap has a clamp. And I'll let it sit for a while.